Welcome to the How-To series for HR Dynamics Plus. These are a series of short videos on how to use the various functions of HR Dynamics Plus. This is How-To video number 3. How to add and remove column headers from tables or grid views. We will be using the Registered Employees screen to demonstrate this function. From the Registered Employees screen, click on the Column Chooser button. This will open a small window called the Column Chooser window that shows the additional columns that are not visible in the employee listing table. You can use the left mouse button to click, hold, and drag column names from the Column Chooser window and drop then directly onto the blue column header of the table. For example, you will notice that the address column is not visible in the table. You can locate it in the Column Chooser window and drag it onto the table. And the same applies the other way round. You can drag columns that you do not wish to see back into the Column Chooser window. Thank you for watching.